Hi everyone, I am Arbian Bianca GC from BSBA HRM 3P. In today's digital age, online banking has become a convenience way to manage our finances. However, with this convenience comes the risk of cyber threats. My training program is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills to safeguard your online activities. By the end of this training, you'll be empowered to protect your financial information and enjoy a secure online banking experience. Cybersecurity for online banking refers to the protection of important financial information. This includes implementing strong authentication methods, which requires users to provide multiple of identification such as password, biometric data, or one-time code. Encryption is another critical component of online banking security. By encrypting data, it allows you, even if the information is obtained illegitimately by certain people, they won't be able to read it. Intrusion detection system is also a critical component of online banking security. These systems can detect and alert security teams to potential threats, such as unauthorized access or data breaches. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, and understanding the most common ones is crucial for protecting your online banking activities. There are 4 common threats, and first is malware. This is any software intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer system or network. This includes virus, worms, trojans, ransom, and spyware. Second is phishing. It involves tricking individuals into revealing sensitive information such as password and credit card details. Third is hackers. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems to gain unauthorized access. Last is ransomware. It is a type of malware that encrypts a victim's file and demands a ransom payment to decrypt them. By understanding these common threats, you can take proactive steps to protect your online banking activities. This includes using strong password, two-factor authentication, and regular password changes. And lastly is be wary of phishing attacks. Sa strong password ay gagamit tayo ng uppercase and lowercase letters, at iwasan din natin gumamit ng pangmadaliang password tulad ng birthday and mga pangalan ng alaga nating aso. And sa two-factor authentication naman, this requires a second form of verification. Ito yung mga nagsisend sa ating email or sa ating number ng code. Sa regular password changes, kailangan nating magpalit ng password regularly to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. And sa phishing attack naman ay iwasan nating mag-reply or mag-click sa mga link na send sa ating numbers or Gmail. By following these practices, you can significantly enhance your online banking security and protect your sensitive information by securing your device. Beware of phishing attacks. Use strong passwords. Secure Wi-Fi networks. And lastly is monitor your accounts regularly. Securing your device means we must keep our device operating system and security software up to date. Sa beware of phishing attacks naman, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina na huwag tayong basta-basta mag-click ng link na sinesend sa emails or numbers natin. Kailangan muna natin i-verify ang identity ng sender bago natin i-click ang link na sinend sa atin. Sa strong password naman, gagamit tayo dito ng uppercase and lowercase letters. Iwasan din natin gumamit ng pangmadali ang password tulad ng numbers, pangalan ng mga alaga nyo, or mga birthdays nyo. Sa secure Wi-Fi networks naman, iwasan natin gumamit ng public Wi-Fi. Kung gagamit man tayo ng public Wi-Fi, use a virtual private network to encrypt your connection. Sa monitor your account regularly naman, i-monitor mo lang ang account mo for any unusual transaction. Kung may something suspicious ka na napapansin sa account mo, mag-report ka sa bangko kaagad. By following these practices, you can significantly enhance your online banking and protect your sensitive information. Why cybersecurity for online banking matters? The sensitive nature of online banking information means that online banking is vulnerable to cyber attacks. If you suspect a security breach, take immediate action to protect your financial information. First is contact your bank immediately. Notify your bank about the potential breach and inquire about any step that they are taking to address the situation. Second is secure your accounts. Change your password for all your online accounts, including your social media, emails, and online bank account. Third is monitor for phishing attempts. Be vigilant for phishing emails or calls that may exploit the situation. Do not click on suspicious links or provide personal information. Fourth is file a police report. Report the incident to your local law enforcement agency to document the crime and potentially aid in the investigation. Lastly is credit freeze. Consider placing a credit freeze on your credit report to prevent unauthorized credit applications. By understanding the risks and taking proactive measures, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of falling victim to cyber attacks and protect your financial well-being. In today's interconnected world, safeguarding your online banking activities is important. Some key takeaways: stay informed, keep up to date with the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices. Second is protect your finances. Employ a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and be vigilant for phishing attacks. Lastly, use a strong password. Create complex, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. By adopting this practice, you can significantly reduce the risk of cyber attacks and safeguard your financial well-being. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and protect yourself from cyber threats. Thank you.